So here we are with Liverpool and England legend John Barnes, Premier Inn's latest signing. He gets a great pass from the fans, strikes the ball like the legend he is. Great hands from Barnes as he touches down in Dubai. As we said, the newest signing for the Premier Inn. Barnes checks into the Premier Inn Dubai.
Good morning. Do you have a room for Mr. Barnes?
Yes, Mr. Barnes, welcome to Premier Inn. We've been expecting you today. Here's your room key.
He's packed all the essentials to get behind England this winter. He's got the scarf, he's got the book, he's got the lot. Keeping the ball safe, he's pulled out a bit of history here. Memories of 1990 come flooding back. There'll be sweet dreams tonight on that super comfy bed. And here we are at this perfect rooftop swimming pool for families and couples alike. What's this? The kids have passed the ball. It's England legend John Barnes. He strikes the ball. Footballers and fans stay and celebrate every goal at Premier Inn this winter.